Okay, hi there students. So, as you see, this spider crab is foaming at the mouth. If somebody is foaming at the mouth, it means they're absolutely crazy. Yeah? Don't listen to a word he says. He's foaming at the mouth, and you can see all the foam around the spider's crab mouth. Okay, so, yeah, I think when somebody has rabies, yeah, they foam at the mouth and they go absolutely crazy. And that's where we get the idea of to be foaming at the mouth, yeah? Don't listen to him, he's foaming at the mouth. I guess somebody could also be foaming at the mouth if they were really angry. So after he heard about the price rise, he started foaming at the mouth, getting really upset. Okay, so there you go. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Okay, to foam at the mouth, to get really upset or to go mad, absolutely crazy. Bye for now.